welcome back to Food Prep Guide, where we want to help you save money in the kitchen by learning traditional skills like food preservation, food storage, pantry management, and more. And we want to do it all as frugally as possible. And why? To honor the Lord in all that we do and bless our families as we seek to steward them well and wisely. Today is not a tutorial. Today is a special announcement. We are joining the Three Rivers Pantry Challenge. Now, if you're not familiar with the Three Rivers Pantry Challenge, it usually occurs in January and February. We are just doing January, and we will not go grocery shopping the entire month of January. I just spent about 2 hours building out the meal plan, 31 meals, and I have to only use what's in our pantry, fridge, and freezer. Now, everyone who does this type of challenge has their own rules, right? We all have different family dynamics, different family needs. So for our family, we are going to lean heavily towards shelf-stable foods, and I'll tell you why in just a minute. While I will be using ingredients from my fridge and my freezer because I do want to get things cleared out, I want to lean heavily towards food storage type meals that use shelf-stable foods. Now here's why. I have 3 goals, both for my family, but also to hopefully, prayerfully be a blessing to your family. I wrote them down so I wouldn't forget. Goal number 1, I want to help you build a stash of go-to meals that are very frugal, that you can turn to, that you can stock and store on your shelf so that you can turn to when you have absolutely no time to prep a meal, or when you have just absolutely no money to go grocery shopping, or inclement weather, you can't get to the grocery store, or a power outage and you need a meal that's already prepped and ready to go that you can either just add water to or just dump into a pot and heat up. Not all meals are going to be like that, but like I said, I'm going to try my best to lean heavily towards that. Goal number 2, I want to test the plan. Our family has a food storage plan where we are kind of storing up on things so that if we have to, we can eat without having to go to the grocery store for an extended period of time. Now, this is not just what do people say, apocalypse type thing. You know, it's not that at all. We have actually already had to implement our plan for several reasons. One was a health crisis. I could not cook for a very extended period of time. It had to be super simple, one pot dishes, dump in the crock pot, dump in the pot, or something that my husband or even my oldest child could do. But also budget. Maybe you need an unexpected bill pops up and you need a large lump of money fast. Well, one of the ways that you can do that is to not go grocery shopping for an entire month. Think about how much money you can get almost immediately within 30 days if you didn't go to the grocery store. So that's goal number 2. Goal number 3, I'm a gardener. I want help planning my garden. What do I need to grow? What do I need to plant, grow, and harvest in order to make these meals possible all throughout the year? If you don't garden, then this is something that you can turn to for, okay, what do I need to go to the grocery store now that I could stock up on for, 3 months worth of this meal? So if that interests you, if that excites you, hit the subscribe button. We'd love to have you come along with us to learn about frugal meals. And if you want to join the Pantry Challenge yourself, hop on with us. You can get ideas from us or other YouTubers that you find. And we are just really excited to build this stockpile of recipes that we can turn to when we need them most, whatever happens in life, right? Because life happens. We all know that. Okay, God bless. See you then.